Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Haria and I will bring everyday news for all of you. As of yesterday, 85,859 new corona cases were reported all over India. This continuing decline in number of cases, this is very good sign. As of yesterday, 11.18 lakh active cases were there in India. As of yesterday, 24.27 crore Indian got vaccinated. 5 states which still account for almost 50% of the cases are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. Yesterday in Mumbai, 55 new corona cases were reported. There is continuing decline in number of cases in Mumbai. This is again a very good sign. 12 people, including 8 children aged between 18 months and 13 years, were killed when a 3-story building collapsed in Maloney area of Malad West in suburban Mumbai on Wednesday night. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will participate virtually in the outreach season of G7 summit on June 12 and June 13. Government is close to agreeing to grant foreign COVID-19 vaccine makers such as Pfizer protection against legal liability so that it can use their vaccine in an immunization program that is facing acute shortage of vaccine in India. Yesterday, Indian stock market continuing its incline and BSE Sensex closed 339 points above the previous day closed and closed at 52,300 points. $1 was equal to 73.06 rupees. State-owned hydrocarbon giant NHPC on Thursday reported nearly 80% jump in its consolidated net profit of rupees 464.60 crore for the quarter ending March 2021. Majgaon Dock reported manifold increase in net profit and consolidated net profit was at rupees 230.54 crore for the March 2021 quarter. GST Council will meet on Saturday to consider recommendation of a group of ministers to reduce taxes on medicine for COVID-19 and material to give relief to the people. This will help reduce the prices of COVID-19 medicine in India. Government will auction unmonetized large oil and gas field of state-owned ONGC and Oil India Limited to boost the country's hydrocarbon production. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.